Alright, so we took all the tape off and we just gave her a sand over with the random orbital there. So it's nice and smooth now. But as you could see, we are symmetrical. And that's why we do our layout. So it's carved pretty nicely, down to pretty much how I like it. I gotta take it down, I don't know, maybe an eighth or so, but I'll just do that. Just keep on sanding it, going over it, smoothing it all out, making it perfect. Some little imperfections, but I'll sand those all out uniform, and it'll be nice. So now, we're just a little bit rough around in here, so we could finally take that out. I'll use the sanding head on my drill, actually, and then same with right here. We're a little big and rough. That's okay, we'll take that right out. And I will start shaping my extended heel. I'll sand all that uniform nice and flat. And I will profile all here with my sanders and rasp and whatnot. Just for more playability, for extra shreddage. And yeah, I'll taper this in a little bit too, round it over, follow the profile of the neck. There you have it.